my channel. It's Friday the 10th of May. It's 9 o'clock at night and we're off to the Lake District. It takes about 4 hours, is it? 4 hours to get there. So we're driving up at night because so there's less traffic, and we'll see you in the morning.
My mama don't like you and she likes everyone.
Guys, it's 6:20 in the morning. We just woke up. This is where we've been sleeping, in the car. And my husband is in the tent. And we woke up to these pretty views. You sure it's this way? So we're here at the Lake District now, and we're gonna head to a load of waterfalls. We're doing a hike, which is 4.5 miles. Is that right? Yeah. So it's a long hike, longish, I think. But yeah, it should be nice. And there's fairy pools, waterfalls, and you'll see on the way. So we're just currently walking around. There's lots of sheep going bah. And we have this stream we're following.
Oh, it's really pretty.
Yeah, it's nice. Let's keep walking.
Yeah.
I was watching another YouTuber's channel, which gave us the link on where to park the car. And we're following his directions. So hopefully it goes well. Simba! What is that? You have lots of friends! Wow! So we're just walking through a field with all the sheep. There's lots of them. Be careful where you stand. There's lots of sheep shit.
Big district, yeah. Big district, some places nice. Here is everywhere something nice, you know.
So we've not got to one of our spots yet, but we're having a little break here because it looks so beautiful.
It looks like an actual
Clear water. It's like what? An actual pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's so deep and like crystal clear.
You want to go?
He's nice, Simba.
You like?
Good boy. Yes. And Jasmine's turn. Yeah. higher.
Whoa. Simba jumping.
Update. So we just stopped here at the bridge for a little break. We had a drink and something to eat. My husband spilled Lucasade all over his legs, so he had to clean it up in the water. The water is very cold. We are hoping to have a dip in the water, but we're not sure yet. We've just come from we have just come from the Russell Jill Cave. It's very, if you've not been before, it's very steep to get to. Oh wow, look at that waterfall. Really nice waterfall. Nice. There's so many fairy pools here. So there's so many fairy pools here. Even from the first 20 minutes you start walking on this track. It's nice. Yeah. So even for little kids who can't walk far, you have somewhere to swim. It's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, good job, guys. Simba, you are next. You are next, Simba. Go away. Go jump. Go jump.
When we got here, the car park was empty and now it's full. But when we first left to start the trail, there wasn't that many cars here. So normally, like if we go to Wales or somewhere, the car park gets full really quick. So yeah, it's not bad. But it's full now, and there's not that many places to park. So we finished our hike and we're on our way home now. It didn't actually take us as long as we thought it was gonna. We thought it was gonna be like a whole day. Like I didn't know how long 4.5 miles was gonna take, but yeah, it was quicker than what we thought. We did stop at every waterfall and have some breaks, and even went swimming in the fairy pools. It was a really nice day. If you do like fairy pools and waterfalls, I would highly recommend it. It's beautiful, even from the beginning all the way to the end. There's just so many different pools you can go in, so even if it's really busy, like there's always somewhere where you can stop and go. There's so much choice. Yeah, it's a really nice place. The postcode for anybody who wants the postcode for parking is CA19 1TH, and there are 3 small car parks. There's not too much room. Like I said before, we got there at about half two in the morning, and we slept there just to make sure we got parking space. But in the morning, we were quite surprised how much space there still was. So yeah, it was a great day out. We really like the Lake District. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thanks guys, bye!